In this video, I will show you how to fix WhatsApp not opening on iPhone. So if your WhatsApp is not opening and you're facing issues, then this video will help you on how to solve that. And the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to our browser and then we're going to look for outages for WhatsApp. So let's type in WhatsApp outage and then click on search. And then we're going to access the down detector all the way at the top. And then we are just going to scroll down all the way. And then we're going to see if there is a giant spike in outages, because this will give you a good indication if WhatsApp is down. If this is not the case, then there is probably no outage, and then there is another problem why your WhatsApp is not working. And for that, we are going over to our settings. So let's go ahead and click on settings. And from our settings, we're going to scroll all the way down. There we see apps. And in our apps, we're going to WhatsApp. So that's all the way at the bottom. And then we click on WhatsApp. And in here, we need to be sure that all the key things are turned on. And that is, for example, your microphone, camera, Face ID, and your mobile data and live activities. And once you have all these on and it is still not working, then the problem is probably something else. So the next thing that we can check is we can stay in our settings and then we can go to our general. Then we're going to click on iPhone storage. Then we're going to scroll down until we see WhatsApp. Click on WhatsApp in there. And once you are in WhatsApp, you have this option to offload app. So what this basically does is this will reinstall the app, but it will keep all of your data. So this is always a nice way to solve problems. This is something you can do as well. So right now I would say check if WhatsApp is still not working. If it still isn't working, then I would say go to the App Store and then type in WhatsApp and then make sure that you have WhatsApp updated to the latest version. Once you still have that and it is still not working, then you can also delete the application and download it again. And after that, your problem should be fixed. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I will see you in the next one.